Hey everyone, my name is Persh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I have some great news for all of you guys. Yesterday a brand new jailbreak has been released for all the devices having the iOS 14, whether you have an iPhone 6s or if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So all these devices are supported, like if you have an iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone X, iPhone XR and the latest iPhone 12 series including the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm talking about the latest Taurine Jailbreak. Now yesterday Odyssey team posted a new update on their Twitter handle about the Taurine Jailbreak, and they gave some information like it supports the iOS 14 to the 14.3 for all the devices and giving the official website link. And Coolstar also retweeted some photos on Twitter handle, and it's all on the 1st of April. So I thought it's a April Fool or they are pranking on the people, but then I have tested on my own and it's completely legit. I have successfully jailbreak the iOS 14.2 on my iPhone 7, and I've also confirmed and tweet about this on my Twitter handle. So if you have not followed me, just follow me there for latest update. So now we can say that it's a complete legit jailbreak and it's working on the iOS 14 without PC. And I posted some screenshot of the jailbreak and there are several themes on it. So I will show you the complete procedure, like how you can install it without PC, no computer required, and they have some posted on their official website, their direct IP link. So if you want to check out this website, I will give the links in the description where you find all the information there. So on the official website they have released the 1.0 version, that currently the latest version, and showing some steps to like how to install this IPA file with the all store method, but that required the PC. But in this video I will show you the complete process without PC, so you can easily install the IPA file directly through your device. And if you not followed me on my Twitter handle or other social media accounts, you can just follow me from the description link where you will find all the important and the fast update. I have a Telegram group and channel, so you can easily join there and get the latest update. So now I will continue this video and showing you the complete process. Now the first thing, you have to go to the settings and then scroll it down and you will find the Safari option, and just click on that and scroll down and you will find the clear browsing history. So you have to clear all the history of the Safari browser. Now just clear it, and after that go to the Safari browser again. Now you need to go to the website, so I will give the links in the description of this website where you will find the IP link, direct IP link. You can install it from the device, so no need of computer or PC, just having this website and you can easily install the latest Taurine Jailbreak. Now from here just scroll it down and you will find the latest Taurine Jailbreak, that is 1.0 version. Now just click on the get button, and after that one page will load up. Just close it down, it's a ad. Now click on the get button again. Now we will find this page. Now wait for the 5 seconds, and if any ad comes, just close it and wait for 5 seconds. After that you will get the skip ad button, and then you can directly install it from here. Now click on get, and after that close this ad. Now click on skip ad button again. Now you will find the install option, just click on install. Now go to your home screen and you will find the installer there. Now the installation is started, so wait for it to get complete. Now one more important point, if you are using any third-party app store to install the IPA file directly, it's not sure that it will work for you anytime, or you can just watch the video and install and it will work for you. It's not in that case, because the certificates never last long. It will revoke anytime by the Apple, so you need to try it again and search the website again and again to certificate get signed. So you can follow me on Twitter where I will give the latest update. If the certificate gets signed again, I will notify you and then you can install it, because the certificate can revoke anytime, and then you can see the unable to install error and the other thing. So it's all depend on the certificate, like how they sign and how fast they sign, and you provide the direct IP link again to install without computer. Otherwise you will need the other IP signer like also, or you can install it from the PC. Now after that you need to trust the app, so just go to the device management and trust the app from there. After that you can easily open the latest Taurine Jailbreak on the iOS 14. No PC or computer required, you can easily install it from this method. Now you will see some options like enable tweaks and restore root FS. If you are on Uncover and you have to switch it from the Uncover to the Taurine Jailbreak, you have to restore root FS from the Uncover app, and then you can easily install it on the Taurine Jailbreak. And if you want to remove the Taurine Jailbreak, you need to restore root FS, and then you can easily install it other jailbreak, like if you are using the Checkra or a Uncover. And one of the best part of this jailbreak, they provide the several themes that make this jailbreak very beautiful. You have some gradient themes like default theme and the sugar free theme, or a Mango Crazy, So Last Year. So there are so many themes like Pokemon, but my favorite theme is the Tech Tips. So you can apply that, and after that click on the jailbreak button and it will start jailbreak. Between this video is sponsored by the Linux Tech Tip. Now the jailbreak process is started. It will involve the two stage. One, it will reboot your device, and the second stage it will complete the jailbreak process. Now after that you will see the required jailbreak, so just click on OK and it will reboot your device, and after that you have to open the installer again, and then you have to click on the jailbreak again and it will install the complete jailbreak. Now just open it again and click on the Taurine Jailbreak. Now click on the jailbreak, and after that wait for it to get complete. Now in this second part it will install the Cydia and complete the installation, so wait for it to get complete. Now when the jailbreak is almost done, you will see some cool splash screen of the Taurine Jailbreak in the gradient and the other themes, and after that your device will be respring and then the jailbreak process is completed. Now unlock your device, and this time you will see Cydia on your home screen. That means the jailbreak is completed. If you don't see the Cydia, just open the installer again and click on the jailbreak and go to all the steps again. Now you can use Cydia normally. You can add any repo and install any tweak, and if you ask me, the Cydia is very much faster than the Cydia and it's look more attractive and the UI is more good. Now to get the best experience of this jailbreak, you need to update all the required packages. So just go to the update section and make sure you update all these library files so that you will get the best and the fast experience of this jailbreak with the Cydia. Now the Cydia is ready, everything is set. We have updated all the required packages. Now you can install any tweaks and add any repo you want. Now for example, if you want to install the snowboard, just go to the search and type snowboard and you will get there and easily install it. And if you face any crash issue with the Cydia or any issue with the related to the jailbreak, just go to the installer again and re-jailbreak your device, and then issue will be solved. And if you want to switch to the Uncover, you need to restore rootfs and then you can install the Uncover again. Now many of you don't want the Cydia on your device, so it's okay, you can install the Cydia also. You have to just go to this repo and go to the all categories and you have to search the Cydia installer, and you can easily install Cydia on this device. So just click on that and click on get and easily install it. After the respring you will see the Cydia on your home screen and you can use the Cydia normally, so no issue in that, it will work fine. So let me just install this first and then show you the Cydia is also working fine with the latest Taurine Jailbreak. Now just click on done, and this time you will see the Cydia on your home screen. Now you can easily open it and update all the packages and your device will be work fine with the Cydia also. So this is how you can install the latest Taurine Jailbreak on the iOS 14. No PC or no computer required. This method is only work for the iOS 14.0 to the 14.3. So all the models are supported, so whether it's a latest iPhone 12 series or any device that having the iOS 14.0 to the 14.3. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the content, so just hit the like button, and if you're new here, just subscribe to the channel for more cool updates. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.